definitely because of your 4th grade students. I'm so excited for them though, because they did the announcements. I get very, very excited about students that work very hard. I am so proud of them. Now, I want to tell you something that your vice principal told me. She tells Math Master, she said, Math Master, and I say to myself, Self, what's she going to say to me today? And she says, you know what, Math Master, I have teachers that work very hard in classroom. And I have a teacher that my son goes to class. And that class is Miss Moore's class. And she tells me that they work very hard. I tell her, I want to see work. So she invite me up. But I can't come to school until nighttime. So I had to come one night. And I see at the Fairview Elementary. Oh, I get so excited because I walk in, I see all over the board. A PS, a chicken, all over the board. I am so excited because you are becoming Math Masters. Now, I'm so proud of all of you. And I want to tell everybody in school, even you kindergartners, I want you to pay close attention because you too can become a Math Master. Now, I want to show you today how do you understand if number is bigger than the other number. So kindergarten, watch, because this is very important. Okay, here we go. Here, I have number right here. It is 4. It is in black today. It is 4, and that number is on the board. Here is the next number. Now, I have a 2. I have a 2 on the board also. Now, here is a problem. Kindergarten, listen close, because I want to know how to write math sentence. And you may say to yourself, Self, how do I write math sentence? I've not been taught how to write math sentence. Oh, so guess what? Math Master excited because he gets to teach you right now how to write math sentence. So pay attention. Here we go. Okay, if I see that a 4, count them with me. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now I have a 2. A 1, a 2. Now, you tell me, boys and girls, in the kindergarten classroom, which is bigger? Oh, look at here. I put this over here. 1, a 2. Okay, look. These two go together. These two go together. How much more is 4 than 2? Well, look. 1, a 2. Ooh, watch this. Because a Math Master, think about this. He thinking like this. Here's the very big eater. As you tell, very big eater. See? Okay. A chopper sticky. Woo! Watch this. Wow! I like to eat big stuff. So my chopper sticky looking like this. Then I have a 2 dots on the thing that is bigger. Then I just have a 1 dot here. Now, if you will notice that my chopper stick, when I eat, it looks like this. You see chopstick? This is actually not chopstick. These are pencils. Sorry, I didn't have chopper stick today. But here is my chopper stick is dirty. Because when I eat lunch, I didn't want to bring in here with a lunch chopper stick dirty when I eat my breakfast this morning. So watch. Here we go. Chopper stick, see? Oh, isn't that cool? That's a real cool. Now, you 4th and 3rd graders are saying, Math Master, that's way too easy. Okay, so here's a question for you. Today, I have a problem. And my problem says this. I have a population of a Dallas, Fort Worth. Whoop, spell it. Arlington. I'm going to abbreviate. And what is that? Oh yeah, I remember. Houston. Okay. Hopefully you can see on the board. Dallas, Texas. Population. Watch this. Whoo, big number. Here comes big number. Whoo. It's making me tired writing big numbers. Oh. Whew. Now, Fort Worth. Fort Worth is like this. Whew. one more. I have Houston. Houston, big number 2. Let's watch. Woo! Big numbers. I like big numbers because I am the math master. Now, look, my problem today tells me, how do I put these in order from greatest to least? Okay, so I look and I see, and just like I taught kindergarten 4th graders, this is why it's very important for you to listen from when you're little bitty all the way till you're grown, because you use the same thing. Now, I need to know my place value. Place value like this. A 1, I'm going to use abbreviation. A 10, 100. And then it keeps going over here. And I still have a 1, a 10, 100. Now, you say to yourself, wait a minute, self, that is not correct. I say, yes, watch, because this is a same name, but this one has a 1, 1,000, a 10, 1,000, 100, 1,000. And it keeps going, and the names continue. But all you need to remember is the first name, because the next last name on this one is a million. They all say 1, 10, 100. Say it with me now. A 1, a 10, 100. Woo! A 1, a 10, 100. Woo! 1, a 10, 100. Woo! Okay, you got to remember that. Here we go. All right. So we got to think to self. Self, how do I put number? Here we go. Okay, let's take a number like this from a Dallas. And I put in here. Woo, let me draw a line. Now, I'll take a 0. I'll take another 0. A 0. Woo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. Woo! And then I take a number 3. And then I take a 1. Okay. Woo! They're making me tired. Hopefully you can see, because this is very important. Now, you see that this is in the ones place, but the last name is million. 1 million. Woo! 300,000. Woo! Man, that makes a master sweaty, because I get so tired watching this. Okay, here we go. I got to hurry. Okay, how is this numbers bigger or smaller? Well, you look in place value, see, and you think, okay, looky here. Now, can you see? Can you see this? Here. Okay, here we go. I have 0 in the ones place. But guess what? I'm not worried about the zeros in the ones place right now. I worry about bigger place value. So I come over and I see all of these are lined up in a place of value. And I see, oh, looky here. No place value. No place value on these two. So those are smaller. So I look here and I see a 1 and a 5. So see, you go back kindergarten and you look, which is bigger, 5 or 1? Woo! You take a chopstick and you eat the bigger one, because you want to get a big belly like a math master. So you put your chopper sticky, like that, and your 1 dot there, you connect it. Okay? Same thing here. So our bigger number is Houston. Houston has most population. Then we have a Dallas. Okay? Now we can look at the last two. The last two, the population, which is bigger, 3 or 6? Oh, you're smart, kindergarten. Because a 6, woohoo, is a bigger than a 3, and you eat it with the chopstick. Now, I hope you understand today from greatest to least, because my math sentence now says 5 is greater than a 1. Now, 5,700,000 is greater than 1,300,000.